welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how to merge a row or a column in Microsoft Word. Select the row you want to merge. After selecting the row, right click and then click on merge cells. This will merge the entire row into one. Ctrl Z to return it. If you want to merge all the cells within a column, select the column by clicking outside. Then right click on the column, click on merge. This will merge cells within the column into a single cell. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Click on subscribe, like and share for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.